Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete a message where you no longer want to go ahead and receive it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So I recently came across this issue myself, and the way that I worked around it is if you go into the Airbnb app and then click on messages, let's say that we want to go ahead and delete this message from 2024. All you've got to do is swipe right on it and then click on archive. Now, if you click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner, then click on archives, we'll go ahead and find that message again. But unfortunately, you actually can't delete a message on Airbnb. You can only archive messages. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a message on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.